the call is paddle out New Pier, try get some waves in the middle, and get some lefts, and try to do some turns in the corner up in the pocket, like little hook turns. Tide's draining, but it's going to take a while until it drains enough, and hopefully get a few waves. Let's see what happens. Thanks for tuning in once again. Thank you for all the views. It's been very good so far. So yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. You. Yo, same board. There's no bomb, but it's gonna run off hot. Oh, what do you? Laying on the bomb. Oh, that was a nice turn, and he bailed it. And we got it all on camera. Whoopsie, he's not going to be happy about that. Nice. I don't want to make excuses on that last wave, but I'm gonna. Yeah, this whole looking for left story is actually really difficult when there's better routes, but let's just keep going. Finally! Frustration, because I know I'm a little bit behind, blah 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 this. There comes a wave. You. Okay, just warming up. I really want to rip into a massive one, but I'll take what I can get for now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully get some more. Whew. So let's break down that last wave. Bottom turn a bit sooner. Try to do a top like turn when there was a bit of open face, and I could have like arced it, and then leant into the bottom turn instead of like digging my rail in. Leant before I dug my rail in, and I sort of bobbled, and then I got to the lip a little bit late, then tried to salvage it with like a little roundhouse cutback. So not the best, but performance surfing, eh? Let's go. It's a lot of fun. It's nice to go fast, turn sharp, have water push back at you. Yeah, that's what surfing's all about. You. So I got this big claim of a good backhand and then a nosedive kind of session I'm having. Oh. Such a mission. I'm gonna go get a board out of my car for one of the groms. It's gonna take like half an hour out of my session. I haven't even had a good wave, but anyway, such is life. Len is coming to the rescue. He's gonna come grab the key from me, and I hope my car's still there when I get out the water, because you know, pessimistic, but anyway, I'm sure it will be fun. These are the culprits. Just cutting my session short.
So good.
Yeah, there's the culprits right there. Oh, there's a good left out the back. Oh, I'm back out there, guys. You and me, let's go. Enough of these little shore breaks and bowls. Let's get some real waves. Frustration. Wax is slippery again. So it happens when you stop surfing. The top deck cools down, gets slippery. Yeah, Byron flat. Not joking. That was a full-on air section. All I needed to do was hit it. If I had a board sponsor, I would hit those sections and try to land them. I draw out my turns too much, and I don't just hook them fast with speed and power. I like the feeling of the rail in the water, but what it does is it like overextends a turn, slows you down, and your body goes off balance because you're leaning too much. So I do that a lot. I'm sure a lot of us do that. You know, surfing in our mind and surfing in reality, two different things. If you see yourself on camera, it's like way different, eh, to the way it looks in your mind. That was a perfect example. Like, fast surfing looks so cool, but it doesn't feel as good as opposed to like holding turns, sort of soul arching turns. Soul surfing really feels so much more better. Doesn't look as good on camera, but it feels better. I don't know, you like that feeling of joy. It doesn't last long because the turns are over so quickly. Yeah, so that's why sometimes I over surf, just to get the most out of it, but it's not actually good surfing technique. Anyway, let's keep going. I'm having fun. That's what it's about, eh? Thanks to you guys for watching. Let's try a right. Hey guys, let's try a right. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I was saying earlier, I really just need to surf a lot faster with the section that's in front of me and not try and draw the turns out, because I keep on drawing them out and then getting caught. I need to just arc right where the section is. Let that be a lesson to everyone. But I'm stoked that you guys are along for the ride. 6-cycle wave. Yo, it's a good one. Wanna go, see what happens, try to do a top turn, soft turn. Top turn. Fuck, come on, connect. You. No. Oh, you. Yo, I killed my legs on that one. Glad it connected though. Yo, thanks for watching. Stoked. See you guys soon on the next installment. Scotty knows surf. Do I know surf? I don't know, you tell me. Is my handle correct? Maybe. You. Let's see what Len has to say about the session.
Frothed out.
Is it?
That was such a good session. Had some good turns. They were critical, they were fast. Water's going good.
Colby's.
Stoked.
Colby versus Rusty, guys.
What's one?
Who do you think won that battle? Shot, guys. You.